Do you love mommy? Do you love mommy? What? Okay, Liam, do you love Papi?
Yeah. Papi work.
What? Where's Papi?
Papi work.
He's at work. Okay. Do you want to go see Lola?
Yes. Lola.
We're going to go on the plane. Yeah.
Boom!
Whoa, hopefully not, Liam. You just crashed our plane. Do you want to see Namna?
Hey, Gordo. Dodo.
Gordo, yes. Tia.
Tio.
Tio. Okay. You love mommy?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, give me a kiss. Bye.